Hello and welcome to Daxys. I will show you how to assemble your brand new Daxys Grizzly. For an easier unboxing experience, you might want to gently lay the box down and remove the staples on the sides. In the packaging, you will find a box which contains the multi-tool, the headlight and its mounting system, and the charger. Once the bike is out, lift it and separate the front wheel and handlebar by cutting the cable ties. Then remove the protective foam and packaging cardboard. Be careful not to damage anything in the process. Next, flip your bike upside down. The first step will be installing the brake pads. Remove the bottom bolt first. It will give you access to the middle bolt, which must be tightened on the socket closer to the end of the fork. Make sure it's as tight as possible. Now tighten the bottom bolt on the second socket. Just like the previous one, tighten it as much as possible. Secure the brake cable on the fork using the bracket. Remove the brake pads and the fork protector. Then loosen the front wheel bolts with the 15mm wrench. Place the wheel in its slot and tighten the nuts. Give the wheel a quick spin and listen to the sound it makes. If you hear rubbing sounds, adjust the brake pad as shown. Flip the bike and install the handlebar. Remove the 4 stem cover bolts. Place the handlebar in the stem slot and screw the bolts back in to roughly 90%. For easier access, you can loosen the display. Adjust the handlebar to the desired position and finish tightening the bolts. Next, install the front light. Remove the screws from the 2 mounts and place the anti-slip pads on both sides. Then place it on the front fork. Tighten the screws, then attach the front light. Make sure that the controller and brake cables are placed between the front light and the bike frame. Connect the front light cable to the battery. Make sure to align the arrows present on both connectors. To install the pedals, first identify them by checking the mounting nut for the WR, right pedal, WL, left pedal stamp. Then screw them in and tighten them with the 15mm wrench. The provided keys will allow you to remove or lock in place the battery. Next to the keyhole, you will see the charging port protected by its cover. To charge the battery, first connect the charger, then plug it in. It will indicate green when fully charged and red while still charging. Have fun, take care, and enjoy your new Daxys Grizzly.